British woodlands successfully regenerated by local fauna. A recent study by the UK Centre for Ecology and Hydrology has determined that birds and possibly squirrels were responsible for replanting much of two entire forests. In particular, it was found that thrushes had planted the seeds of spiky bushes, such as hawthorn, that grew into a protective cover. This, in turn, allowed the growth of oak trees from acorns that were most likely buried as winter reserves by jays and possibly grey squirrels. The older of the two forests studied had been a barley field 59 years ago. Now it is a mature woodland containing 390 trees per hectare, 52% of which are oaks. Thank you, UK Centre for Ecology and Hydrology, for your fascinating study into the natural life rejuvenating intelligence of the animal and plant kingdoms. In heaven's blessings, may your research encourage humans to appreciate the animals and return more land to them, to work in harmony with nature.